guys, how are you doing? I hope you guys are great. So in today's video I'll be reviewing this beautiful wig from CENHIEE. I'll put all the details for this wig in the description box down below just in case you're interested. The wig is from Amazon. The wig came in this beautiful bag. This is how the wig looks. It's a 13 by 1 frontal, and then in the middle right here it has a small closure. This is how it looks, and then it also has an adjustable strap, and then it has 4 combs, 2 in front, 1 in the middle, and 1 at the back, just to make the wig more secure. So in case you lose this band and you want to still make it secure, you can just use this adjustable strap. So what you're going to do, if you want it to fit very well, you can just pull it and crisscross the adjustable strap so that it fits. So this is how it looks. I really love the color. I really challenged myself to try this color. So guys, just comment down below if you love the style on me, if you love the color. Let me just try it on before I cut the lace. You really don't have to do so much on the baby hair. The hair is very soft, and it's very light as well. So guys, when it comes to cutting the lace, I really advise you to use a very small scissors. I didn't find my small scissors, so I'm just going to use this bigger one, but I really advise you to use the small scissors, the tiny scissors. If you want the hair to be fuller, then go ahead and brush it. But then also, if you don't like this volume, just spray some water on it to reduce the volume and also to activate the curls. So this is a trick that I always use. I always apply some water on the lace before applying the foundation, just to make the foundation stick on the lace knit, so that I don't have to apply a foundation every time I want to put my wig on. So just spray some water and then go ahead and apply your concealer. In the middle of the night, got my engine thundering. Dream machine, racing queen, I'll take you wherever you wanna go. So again guys, if you want to activate the curls, just spray some water on the hair, and then you can apply mousse, or you can apply any curls activator. And also again, if you want to reduce the volume, just spray some water on it. Born to ride, Mustang 65, got that V8 engine with a fuel injection. Drop the clutch, pedal to the floor. Speed
you did several times. It hurts to admit that we're no different. I find it hard to commit, but you don't even try. Still I'm better with than without you. Oh, I'm on it, I want it, but why do you seem to call in your eyes? I can't tell if you're here or you're out there. Do you wanna be out there? You don't need to be Prince Charming to me. I just need this to be real. I don't need no fairy tale. You don't need to kill a dragon for me. Ooh, I don't need no fairy tale.
That was it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. So if you're interested in this wig, I'll leave the details in the description box down below, and just comment down below if you love this color, if you love this wig. Okay, that was it for today, guys, and see you in my next video. Bye.